learn that how we can make an introduction video on our YouTube or Facebook channel as introduction. So we will go and make an account on Canva, which is free, and you can find a lot of templates over there. Then we will go into YouTube videos. There we will have a lot of videos and templates and examples which are free, and having the crown with them is paid. So we will select some good according to our need videos. Look, this is the crown one, so this is paid. Then we will select one, and then we will go for edit. And here is my channel introduction, which is 7-second video, which I will put on my YouTube channel. And I will speak along with that learn with Nasir Chaudhary, skill we need to learn as a life motivation, crypto, Facebook, YouTube, Amazon, and the traditional business which we are doing over here. So we will just edit this, and I will show you that how we can animate all these things. When we click over here, and there you will see shift. This is animation. Click on these three buttons and click on animate, and you will get these word and downwards whichever direction you would like to have. But these are paid ones, so we will just go with the example one. So you can see that this is quite simple, the space shuttle, and I will introduce all the things. And this I will do with my voice recording, and then we will put that on our YouTube channel. So this is quite simple to make a video for our own channel. So see you, stay tuned for more learning. Take care.